In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and manage smart content rules in HubSpot so you can personalize your pages, emails, and landing experiences for different audiences. Start by navigating to the content you want to personalize. Head to the marketing section and choose your asset, whether it's an email, website page, or landing page, then click Edit. Once you're inside the editor, look at your layout and choose the module you want to make smart. This could be text, an image, or a call to action button. Click directly on that element to begin. Now, in the sidebar, find the Smart Rules section and click Add or Make Smart. This opens the rule configuration panel. Next, choose your rule type from options like device type, country, or contact list membership. Pick the one that aligns with your goal so you can target the right audience. After that, create variations for each segment. For example, you might have one version for mobile users and another for desktop, or different content for different regions. Then customize each variation by editing the text, images, or CTAs inside that version. Make sure each one feels relevant to the audience it's meant for. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply your smart rules. To manage or edit these rules later, open your content again and go into the editor. If you're working with emails, head to the Settings tab and use Manage Smart Rules. For pages or other content, select the module and look for Manage Smart Rules in the sidebar. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed smart content rules in HubSpot, allowing you to deliver personalized experiences that boost engagement and improve your results.